Hi, it's Kendra from I Can Sew. How are you doing today? I'm so happy to be back, and this video is a long time coming because I made this shirt back in the springtime, and now it's kind of too hot to wear it, but I'm doing a video for you anyways because it's something that you can wear in the fall, and you can make multiple versions of this shirt. I fell in love with the back of this shirt. It is Simplicity 8416. I fell in love with this shirt because I'm big on surprises in the back, you know, business in the front, party in the back. That's kind of my thing. And so I wanted to share this with you. The thing is, when I went online to see if other people had sewn it, I only saw 3 people who sewed this shirt. And well, let me see, maybe 5. But the 5 that sold it only sold like the back that was closed up. And again, I want to party in the back. So I made this shirt and I'm really proud of myself. It is bigger fitting in the front, but that's okay because of, you know, this big booty that I'm working with, it's tighter in the back. So maybe in the future I will figure out a way to make the back more fitted. What I'll probably do, honestly, is make this the ties longer so it'll fit around this rump of mine. But I know you're saying, what is she talking about? And before we continue, do not forget to subscribe and like this video because the sister is back, and I actually have 4 more. Let me not tell that lie. Wait a minute. Yes, 4 more videos to do for you. So hopefully I'll be able to post a video at least 2 more times this week for you. Okay. You ready? You ready? Boom. Here we go. 8416 is this shirt, and it's gorgeous. And as you see, I wrote on here done because I did it. It is, I made this version here, this shirt in the white where she has it tied in the back. So all of the fronts, see here, look the same. And then you have this in the back. I believe it has ties so you can roll the sleeves up, but I don't plan on rolling the sleeves up. And for some reason, whenever I try to wear shirts where you roll the sleeve up, it doesn't fit me. So it was no need for me to make something like that. But this shirt, let me read it to you, is a Mrs. shirt with back variations. The fabric they say to use is a chambray, cotton lawn, cotton types, a gauze, a gingham, lightweight denim, linen tights, poplin, or shirtings. So I use shirtings, and you can see here, can you see here? And it has like this nice ribbed stripe to it, so it's white on white. Love it. I actually got it from the thrift shop, and I didn't have much of it because my mom already called and requested that I make her this shirt and this fabric, and I haven't seen it. If any of you see this fabric out and about, let me know in the comments, and so I could go pick that up for her as well, okay? Now, what I needed for this, of course, was a thread. Then I needed 11 half-inch buttons. So yes, you guys, this shirt had, I guess it's 2, is it 2 buttons on the side? So we had 4 buttons on the sleeves and then 8 buttons down the front. I am going to stand up and let you see because I know you're like, girl, stand up, stand up. I got you. Hold on. Give me a moment. So, and then you need, oh, wait a minute. Did I talk too fast? Let me see. No, 11 buttons. And then I must have not made that one. 9, 10. Nope, didn't make that one. So it has 11 pieces all together. I think what I used though was only 10 of the pieces because again I didn't use those tabs. So there's that. Here's the back of the shirt so you can see. I made view. Can you see it? I'm gonna make it blurry. I made view C. Oh, here it is on the front too. That's a better version. View C. And again, this one. Okay. Very cute. It has a yoke. It has a collar. It has cuffs. Your girl was going through it. So that is why I didn't make this one of the Is It So Easy sewing videos because it's not included in that video. Plus, remember I was telling you before that Simplicity doesn't rate their videos. So that's kind of, I mean, not the videos, I'm sorry. They don't rate their patterns. So you really can't say whether they consider something easy or not. I got this pattern for Joann's a couple years ago. It's still in the stores. It's still on the website. And I got it for $1.99, of course, because I don't pay anything than $1.99 for a pattern. So let me stand up and show you this in all of its glory. I made a size, just to be clear for you, I made a size 18 in the front, and then in the back I made, but I widthed it to like a 20, because then I made the yoke a size 20, and then I made the back piece underneath the yoke back down to an 18. And I did that because I have broad shoulders, and I usually have a problem where it pulls in all the wrong areas because of that. So let me show you here. This white kind of washes out here in the screen, but as you can see, here are my little buttons. Of course, I should have gotten some fancier buttons, but I bought this button for like 100 buttons for like $10 at Walmart. So, you know, you get what you get. All right. So here's the shirt. Okay. Can you see it? Can you see it? And here we go in the back. Now, as you can see in the back, it is tight here. So it looks better actually if I loosen it. So let me loosen it here so you can see. Okay, of course I'm doing this blindly, so it's not coming loose. Is it coming loose? Jesus Christ. Hold on here. It's not coming loose, y'all. How embarrassing. Probably should have had it loose already, but I wanted to show you the finished product. So here it is, now it lays flat. I think this is super cute. I hope I'm in frame. I think this is super cute. And it did not take me long to make it at all. I actually made it in about, I would say a week's time, you know, me coming and going and stopping and stuff like that. So that was pretty cool. What is this on my face? What is this? Oh, Jesus. I forgot my lipstick. Listen, I'm not starting over. So, yeah. Enjoy me with all of my nakedness. So, I like this pattern here. I didn't have really any tutorials or anything that I could go to see if the video, if there were, you know, someone I can follow. So I made it myself. The instructions were very clear, and I enjoyed that tremendously. I made another something with Butterick, and I just, listen, Butterick was like, you know what, survival of the fittest. So this one here was very, 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 very detailed. But it was not easy. You had to pay attention. I talked to a couple people, and they don't usually make outfits with buttons on it. So I will say that my brother's sewing machine, which is the first sewing machine that I bought, and it's very basic. It's not one of those digital fancy ones. Have very clear instructions on how to make a button. So I was happy about that. I made all of my buttons really, really easily, and no tearing, no ripping of the fabric, which has happened before when I tried, without really carefully taking my time and reading instructions like I should have. So I want to tell you that I do recommend 8416 for those of you who are beginners, but you want to try the next level and you're ready to tackle a collar, and you're ready to tackle buttons. So, oh, I'm all in the camera, right? So if you're ready for that and you want a loose fitted shirt with the party in the back, I recommend that you get 8616. Thank you very much for coming to I Can Sew. This is Kendra, and I'll see you next time.